Okay, in case we got cut off, I put the I hope you guys seen when I put the barbecue sauce on the chicken after I got through seasoning, right? Did you guys see that? I hope it didn't get cut off. And then after I put the barbecue sauce on the chicken, I added some chicken stock, not to cover the chicken. You don't want enough chicken to cover the chicken. We don't want to smother chicken. We want the chicken to breathe. We just want it to bake. So now it's been in the oven for 30 minutes, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to baste some more barbecue sauce on my chicken. So we're going to take it out every 30 minutes, and we're just going to baste this chicken with barbecue sauce. We're going to put it back in now. So right now I'm just basting the top part of these, but trust me, I'm going to get them. I don't want them to get wet in that water, so that's why I'm not flipping it over, because the sauce just going to come off. Okay, so we're going to put it back in. Another 30 minutes. Then I'm going to bring it back out and baste it again. You guys see that? See how much sauce we have on there now? And that's just a second coat. So I'll be back when it's time to baste it for the third time. See you guys later. Stay tuned.